Kansans need to pay attention to it because the constitutional amendment is basically trying to turn our Supreme Court justices into politicians, meaning that should this constitutional amendment pass, our judges will be party members. They'll get to have a party designation that's their name. They'll have to be raising money, all to get elected, whereas our current system is they're appointed on merit alone by a impartial group of lawyers and system members that are appointed by the governor and also appointed by lawyers in each congressional district. And then the three names from this committee are picked, given to the governor, and the governor makes selection of those three. Keeps our Supreme Court completely impartial without any money influences affecting the decisions that come from our Kansas Supreme Court. This all started back in the 1950s, and it has resulted in very fair decisions, keeping everybody in check from the right and the left for the last 70 plus years. There's no reason for us to go back to electing our judges and seeing a bunch of campaign ads for judges trying to get elected when they're doing their job very well as judges, not politicians. And that's what we want to do. We want to keep our judges out of politics and just focusing on the law and making the right, impartial, and lawful decisions. And just so you know, the nominating commission, they review applications from whoever wants to apply that it meets a certain criteria, including, being a lawyer. And then each one who applies gets to interview with the Supreme Court nominating commission. The nominating commission, all members vote. They pick three names as a group. Those three names go to the governor. That's a system that a no vote keeps in place. So if you vote yes, you're voting in favor of the constitutional amendment, which means we will now have our Supreme Court justices sit for an actual election. They'll have to raise money, they'll be party members, and they'll actually run campaign ads. Lots of money will be spent trying to get them elected. If you vote no, we keep the system that has been working for the last 70 years in place without any changes. We will still have the Supreme Court nominating commission who will provide three names to the governor, and then the governor will pick from those three.